Now I can see that the transfer is completed and all my materials are here. If I click on the folder or if I click on the arrow to the next to the folder, I can see that all of the subfolders and information for every unit in the course is here, and so the transfer is complete. Now what I want to do is I want to go to the grade setup and set the course up exactly as I will in PowerTeacher Pro. Now normally this is the first thing we would do, but in this case it doesn't really matter. So what I want to do is I know that in the way that I'm using PowerTeacher Pro is I'm going to use two categories, and they're going to be formative and summative. So I'm going to create a formative category. I'm going to use percent because percent, most of the time, this is what we do. And I'm going to use summative. And then I'm going to make a percent. I'm not going to drop anything. Now at this point, I'm going to click on weight categories, and I'm going to make this 40. I'm going to make this 60. And so every assignment in the course is either going to be formative or summative, and when I create these categories in PowerTeacher, they're going to sync over exactly the same and be formative and summative in PowerTeacher Pro as well. If I come down here, I notice that the grading periods and all that is default. It should already be set up correctly because it syncs with PowerSchool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and click on Save Changes. So now I've got all the grade setup is complete, and this course is set up and ready. Now I've got the grade setup complete for this particular section, and I'll copy these settings now that I have them 100% over into my other two sections.